Alright, so hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I'm doing a very different type of video today, chill. Very different. But hey, here we are. So, alright, so we back. I was like, where's my tattoo? But I covered it with my makeup, clearly. I ordered these tattoo edges from Amazon, and the ones that I ordered came 5 in the pack. I'm going to show you guys the different styles that they come in. So this first style is it doesn't have like names or anything, so I'm just going to show you guys basically what I'm talking about. So these are the tattoo edges. Don't talk about my nails, I'm gonna get my nails done. And yeah, I don't know what is possessed me to want to try them. So this is the second style. This is the third style. Ooh, these are real curly. So now I gotta figure out which ones I want to actually wear. So yeah, this is the third style. This is the second style. This is the first style. Okay, so we got plenty styles. This is the, I don't think I'm gonna be using these ones. These look a little too gray, like too gray. And then these are just like separate edges if you want to put like separate, but I don't think I'm going to use these two. So it's definitely going to be out of these three. We have these ones, kind of curly, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, should I put them? Or these ones, these real full, these real full. I mean, these doing a lot. I don't know if I need to be doing all that today. I'm not these ones kind of like chill, you know, not a big deal. It's kind of simple. I don't know, what do you guys think? Which one do you think I should put on today? Okay, but no, let me see though, for real. I'm like this short, that's why maybe I should sit on a chair, but whatever. Y'all don't need to see all that, y'all just need to see the edges. Don't be trying to see too much, see the edges, that's it. He does not tell you what side it goes on, so that's one thing that's just alright. We already starting off bad, because why y'all ain't told me which one left and which one right? But what I'm guessing is when you look at the pattern and you see the swoops, I would suggest because I want to cut it out in a minute, but when you put it on, I would suggest that the humps or whatever, the swoop, I would suggest that they go down, right? I don't know, y'all, this is trial and error. We finna wing this. So I already prepped my hair. I just took my braids out. Like literally my hair is so don't talk about my big forehead. I prepped my hair. I just slicked it back with a little bit of gel. And I got myself in some shit with these tattoo edges. So I went and got a wet cloth. Just, it doesn't really matter. And this is the one that I decided to use. This is actually the one for the, it's kind of hard to figure out at first, but then once I guess you figure it out, because it wouldn't make sense to put this on this side, because then the lumps would be sticking up. You want your swoop to switch down, you know what I'm saying? So that's how I had to figure it out, you know, real G over triple G. If you're smart, you're just smart. Well, yeah, okay, so I'm scared, yeah. I'm just gonna make sure that I'm measuring it correctly, and then let's go for it. All right, so I'm gonna take the oh, this got me shaky a little bit. I don't be too shaky about stuff, but I don't really know. So you peel off that film, right. Y'all not put on sticker tattoos before. All right, let's get here. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna place it where I think I kind of want it to go. Just be careful, because you want to make sure, kind of get it close to your hairline, but not on your hair. So I'm gonna stick it right here. I'm gonna take this cloth, and I'm gonna, oh, hey, baby, listen. This is crazy. This is crazy. Why do I sign up to do crazy stuff? And I'm trying to do it one side at a time, because I ain't got time to be looking crazy. I'm already finna be looking crazy. don't got time to be looking extra crazy. Okay, so once I get it wet, I feel like it's wet enough, then I'm gonna let it sit for like a minute. Where's my phone? Phone. Please. I need to Google how long you're supposed to let sticker tattoos sit. Cause I don't know. Okay, so I'm just trying to see how long I should let it sit. So probably once it starts lifting, that's probably when I'm good. But right now I just want it to be kind of moist. Hold it for at least 60 seconds. So it's been about a minute, so I'm gonna do like another 20 seconds. I feel like the other one's gonna come out better because this one, I don't know what I got going on, child. Let's see. Crazy, but it's so cool at the same time, you know? I would just advise getting it really close to your hairline. I know it's not ready, but it won't hurt to just check. Okay, wait. Oh shit, bitch, I got edges. Hold on, wait a fucking minute. Wait a minute, I got edges. Hold up, I know you lying. Y'all, if this shit look good, I'm gonna start wearing tattoo edges. Fuck yeah. Cause what y'all gonna say? Alright. I don't know, it said be patient, but yeah, I can't be patient. I clearly don't know what patient is. Let's check again. Okay, wait, so I'm gonna let it sit on this side a little bit, and then I'm gonna go with my rag and try to do this side, and then while that side, you get the picture. Okay, so just like I did on the other side, I'm gonna just peel this off. Right? I don't think I sized this up correctly, but whatever. But the things I do for the YouTube, okay? But okay, let's check this side. I think this side should really be ready. Oh wait, that part is coming off. Oh wait. Let's see if we can get it to work right. We almost there. It's crazy. I'm trying to like drench this hole. It's got like 3 different types of technical difficulties and I'm confused. But whatever, I'm gonna take these damn edges off because these shits is, if they just ain't ready, they just ain't working. Fuck it. Alright, the big reveal. Here we go. So if I see it lifting, I'm just gonna try to press it down. And if it came off a few places, oh wow, this look kind of nice though. This look kind of, but look, oh my god, I look so cute. I look so cute. Oh my god, oh, I'm too lit because what if the other side come out trash? Ooh, this is stressful. Edges. I got my edges, babe. And I'm gonna go in and put some like pressed powder, just the kind of, you know, let them set because I don't want them to sweat off by the time I get in the car. And if you see me out today with these tattoo edges, mind your business. Because I know that was a little cut shit. That's all. Okay, so let's take this one off. Let's check it first. Okay, so this side is kind of look crazy. Okay though, but we got tattoo edges. Ooh. Can't nobody mean. Can't nobody tell me. Can't nobody tell me. Can't nobody. Get my edges. I got my edges back. It looks so good. Oh shit, I gotta get some more. Hold on, wait a minute. So I really like how it looks. It came out really good. This is my real hair. The edges are just fake. To be honest, it don't look like that bad. It don't. It really don't. Like, who could tell me this is my edges? Who could say that? Who? Just who? How would you know? We're gonna put a little bit of powder on, just on top, just to kind of avoid that like them sweating off. I'm just putting a little bit of powder on. But I like it. I'm liking it. Shit, I gotta give me some more. And girl, I don't know how to egg. I don't know how to egg. I don't know how to egg. I really don't know how to egg. But today, I really don't know how to egg. I'm finna put my headband on. I'm finna be too cute. I'm finna take somebody nigga today. I mean, I normally do take y'all niggas. But just for today's purposes, I'm going extra hard to take y'all niggas. Extra hard. Okay? Okay. Okay, so yeah, that is all for this video. I don't think I do need to do nothing crazy like tie him down. What y'all think? Oh no, that might make him come on. But they're probably just set them and just doing it. You know what I'm saying? But yes, look at my edges. And who gonna tell me these not my edges? Oh, okay. Okay. Alright. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave comments down below. Make sure you get active in my videos, my comments, my likes. Go ahead and show you guys some love if you love the tattoo edges. Let's get a close-up really quickly. But if you enjoyed this video, chill. They fucked up. I'm talking about they fucked up when they let me through the door. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you babies in my next